Hey guys, welcome to G-Force. Today I'm introducing two of our newest products. These are our frame boxing kits. We have one for 64 to 67 and then another one from 68 to 72, and these are for A-body cars, so Chevelles, Malibus, Cutlasses. What's nice about this kit is that it allows you to box the inside of your frame out, increasing the strength of your frame, but it also comes with the angle brackets that allow you to bolt a crossmember into your vehicle. So there's frame boxing kits out there, but a lot of them don't come with the brackets that you need for your crossmember. Once you have this thing welded into your car, you can utilize a crossmember that's meant for a convertible. This is because convertibles came with a boxed frame from the factory, and the way that our boxing kits are designed is they have the whole center spacing once all assembled and welded together of a crossmember for a convertible. So if you want to find out more about these boxing kits or any of our crossmembers, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.